The proxy choice you make defines your results. Residential proxies prove their value across 8 powerful use cases, so you can scale with confidence. Residential proxies route your requests through real user devices, making them indistinguishable from organic traffic. This authenticity isn't just useful, it's what makes them essential for scalable enterprise-grade systems. But what does this actually mean in practice? Let's break down 8 ways residential proxies drive scaling, optimize performance, and keep data pipelines running smoothly. When collecting data at scale, the difference between a blocked request and a successful one comes down to IP reputation. Residential proxies route requests through authentic IPs tied to real user devices around the world, letting your scraper blend seamlessly with other website visitors. But what does this mean for your scraping operations? Continuous pipelines without interruptions or blocks, accurate geo-targeting across regions, and fewer retries, higher efficiency, and faster scaling. That's the difference between fragile pipelines and resilient enterprise-grade data collection. To measure rankings, ads, and visibility, you need to see what real users see in different regions. This is when residential proxies come in. They let you query search engines from genuine IPs around the world, giving you an unfiltered, accurate view of search results worldwide. This means reliable competitor monitoring, true keyword performance tracking, and scalable region-specific insights. With residential IPs, you get high trust levels and automatic rotation, giving you a true view of the search landscape without interruptions or inconsistent data. Campaign performance isn't just about where ads appear. It's about whether they reach the right audience, respect campaign rules, and display as intended. Residential proxies make this possible by routing requests through real user IPs across regions and devices, simulating organic user behavior. This allows you to verify creatives are delivered correctly, ensure campaign rules apply consistently, and generate repeatable, trustworthy data to optimize ROI. With this foundation, ad verification evolves from a simple placement check into scalable, enterprise-grade quality assurance. Want to track competitor pricing, launches, or promotions without detection? Residential proxies rotate through thousands or sometimes even millions of trusted IPs, letting you gather data efficiently and anonymously. This allows analysts and strategy teams to benchmark competitors with confidence, spot opportunities and market shifts faster, and scale research without triggering defenses. It's competitive intelligence at enterprise scale and speed, delivering accurate, continuous insights that keep you ahead of the market. Fraudsters and bots constantly evolve, and so should your defenses. With residential proxies, you can replicate real user traffic from around the world, giving you a realistic testing environment without putting your operations at risk. By simulating genuine user behavior with residential IPs, you can identify vulnerabilities, test account security and fraud prevention systems, and avoid false positives or disruptions to real users. This creates a realistic attack surface, so you strengthen defenses before anyone exploits them. What if your website looks perfect in one location, but breaks or shows the wrong content in another? Residential proxies solve this with global coverage and precise geo-targeting, not just by country, but down to cities and even states. That means you can check exactly what real users see across regions. With their high trust levels and automatic rotation, residential proxies ensure accurate geo-validation of search results and content, consistent localized experiences across every market, and scalable content QA without false positives or unnecessary blocks. In short, they provide content validation you can trust at scale across every location. Counterfeits, fake listings, and unauthorized resellers can quickly erode revenue and damage your reputation. So, how can residential proxies help keep your brand safe? They let you monitor marketplaces, social platforms, and e-commerce sites like a real user in any region, detect fake listings or trademark violations early, and continuously scale monitoring without blocks or disruptions. This makes brand protection proactive, reliable, and scalable, helping you safeguard revenue, maintain trust, and act before small issues turn into major problems. Missing a single fare change or promotion can put your data and your business behind. To stay competitive, you need fast, reliable access to accurate real-time information from around the world. Enter residential proxies. Their genuine rotating IPs provide real-time access to fares and promotions worldwide, reliable scraping without captchas or geo-blocks, and accurate data streams that power competitive pricing strategies. This ensures you see the true market in real time, enabling smarter pricing strategies and staying ahead in an industry where minutes can mean millions. We might have covered 8 valuable use cases of residential proxies, but they go beyond that. From data collection to campaign optimization and fraud prevention, reliable residential proxies keep your systems efficient and scalable, giving you an edge in every market. If reliable residential traffic is critical to your infrastructure, talk to our team at IPRoyal. We'll help you design a proxy strategy that scales with your goals.